Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A53 from 2020, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different options to choose from. The first one is using a dialer and a secret code, and the second is using the settings. Of course I will show you both. So let's begin, for example, with the dialer. So let's open it and let's type the secret code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another option. So let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll down and find About Phone. Let's tap on it and choose the status. As you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your OPPO A53 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.